This is the silver. I just removed it from this side of the pork rib. If you'll see, it's very thick, very hard to tear. And for that reason, you want it removed from the rib, because seasonings cannot penetrate this. It's just difficult for any seasoning to get to this side of the pork rib if it's on there. It's very chewy and rubbery. All right, what you do, this one was very easy. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. But what I do is I just go down to the very beginning of the rib, find where it starts, and it's not all that hard, really. Take it, and then I just rip it from the underside of the rib. And you'll see it's pretty thorough. See what's happening here? It'll go all the way down to this end. And you have to have muscle to do it. But once it's gone, then you have your ribs can be seasoned on both sides. Okay? Now there's maybe a little bit left on here, but that's okay. You have the majority of the rib capable of being seasoned. Now I'm going to rinse my hands. I'm going to start. I use Chef Paul Prudhomme's pork seasoning. A friend of mine told me about it. It's absolutely wonderful. And I just season it. And see, now the seasoning can get down in those. Everybody loves the rib part of the bone part. But if you don't take that silver off, that membrane, you're not going to have seasoning on that part. You can order this Chef Prudhomme seasoning from Amazon, which is where I usually have to get it, because it's I often found in grocery stores. I think Harris Teeter has it once in a while, and I like to have a good amount on there. It's about $8 a bottle, and it's very well worth it. Okay. Now, let me dry my